Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Praveen Tech Solutions. Today I am going to explain about what is the use of Docker. Then Docker is a containerization platform that is free and open source. It had designed to create, deploy and run the application. It was first released in March 2013 and developed by Docker. Docker uses container on the host operating system to run the application. Docker is a tool that performs operating system level virtualization known as containerization. We can create Docker on any operating system, but Docker engine runs natively on Linux distribution. Docker is a set of platform as a service that uses operating system level virtualization, whereas VMware uses hardware level virtualization. Suppose I want to deploy my application on EC2 instances on AWS Cloud Platform or GCP Cloud Platform or else Azure Cloud Platforms. Before deploy the application, already one application is running on AWS EC2 instances. If you want to deploy one or more application with the help of Docker, then it will not affect your running existing application. Okay, Docker is a more beneficial for deploy the multiple application in one EC2 instances on AWS cloud platform or else Azure platforms or GCP platform. Suppose if I want to deploy 5 application on AWS cloud platform, then if we are not using Docker, then we have to create 5 EC2 instances. Then we can deploy the one by one application in each EC2 instances. Then cost will be more. That's why Docker came, and that's why we are using the Docker. Yeah, advantage of the Docker is a lightweight and cost also is very less. Docker image we can reuse, and it will take very less time to create the container. Yeah, that's it from my end. If you have any query or suggestions, please add a comment in a comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel to see more video. Thank you.